So today we are home. We are checking into Saratoga Springs. We're in the carousel section, room 7812. So we have a studio here. And
hello.
Welcome home. So here's the entranceway to the studio. So this will be the other door for the lock off. And we have a mirror just inside the door. We have a coat rack. And we have our little kitchenette here. Toaster, coffee pot, microwave. Our little fridge. Under sink with fire extinguisher. And up here is your paper plates, cups, another roll of paper towels, and some cutlery. And then bathroom with, okay, so all the H2O stuff, as you would have seen from our last videos, is attached to the walls, which not surprising on that. Lots of towels and dual shower heads. One you can remove, and your towel rack there. Then you've got your electronic safe in here. Ironing board, iron, vacuum, extra blankets and pillows. And then you've got your sink and your illuminated makeup mirror here. Nice large mirror. You've got some loose H2O stuff. You've got some more towels under there, and welcome home. And then from there, we go into the living room side. There's your queen bed, your standard queen bed, side table, your phone. You do have power and USB on the lamps at the side on both end tables, here and here, and on the table that lifts up, so you can turn it around so you can use it as a desk or a place to sit and eat dinner. And then you've got your TV and your chest of drawers. And on the side, two more outlets, two more USB. And again, on the other end, two more outlets, two more USB. And then you've got the Murphy bed. Give her a pull, give her a pull. There we go. So the Murphy bed comes down. There we go. Oh, there. So the Murphy bed is down. And I always like the Mickey Ears riding helmet. And the Saratoga Springs Stables mural on the wall. And here's our view from our balcony. We are on the 4th floor. So we kind of looked over the parking lot a little bit, which is not a big deal. We also have some trees and some grass and building over at the paddock here.
It's beautiful out right now.
Yes, it's very hot and humid, but it is very, very nice to be checking into another resort. We will have some more resort videos as well. Watch for not only this Saratoga Springs studio, but we will also have a couple of other videos that we will release as well. Oh, and then yes, your thermostat for your AC and your heat. So this is all and your ceiling fan. So, and then I believe you have storage. Yes, you do have storage underneath the bench as well. Two sides. And they've changed from the other garbage cans they used to have. They now actually do recycling and garbage, which is nice because for the longest time they didn't have anything to recycle in. So it's good that they have that. If you have any questions about the resort at all or the studio, don't hesitate to drop a question, and we will absolutely answer any of the questions that you may have, provide you with any input that we can offer. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and be sure to ring that notification bell.
And the softest beds in the world.
And with the new beds, they also have space to put your luggage underneath. So you can actually fit your suitcase underneath there so that it's not taking up floor space like we just kind of put at the end of the bench here. So once you've unpacked, depending on how long you're staying, we're only in the room for a night, so we're not staying for that long. So it doesn't make sense to unpack everything. We're only going to take out just what we need. But yeah, so if you are in the room for more than just one night, unpack your clothes, put them in the dresser, throw your suitcase underneath the bed, and then that opens up a little more floor space. You're not having your suitcase just sitting around in the room. And we will give you an update on the room as things go. We will also do a walk around of the resort, show you some of the pools. We're going to go to downtown Disney later, so we'll probably walk by the pool over at the paddock and give you some views of that, as there is a pool slide, and I believe there's a splash pad area, and it's also zero entry for the kids as well. So we will also update with that. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great night, and welcome home.